How does Ethereum work? Ethereum is not under the control of any third party or entity. They are instead controlled by codes. Several components work together to ensure that Ethereum functions properly. The entire point of Ethereum being a system controlled by codes rather than a third party is induced by smart contracts. Smart contracts are executed automatically when certain stated conditions are met, without the assistance of any external body. Smart contracts are involved in any cryptocurrency. They are not limited to and can be used outside of Ethereum, but they are best known for their use on Ethereum. Although Bitcoin supports basic smart contracts, its applications are limited in comparison to Ethereum's. Some developers and researchers have criticized smart contracts, claiming that they would expose security vulnerabilities. The Ethereum blockchain stores the history of all smart contracts that have been executed. Hundreds of nodes from around the world store a complete copy of the blockchain. When a smart contract is executed, thousands of computers process it to ensure that all of the stated rules were followed. The nodes do not just store transaction information. Accounts, smart contract code, and smart contract state are also stored in a node. For transaction verification, all nodes use the same set of rules, and they are all linked. Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. The Ethereum Virtual Machine is responsible for executing smart contracts. It aids in the translation of smart contracts written in a language that computers cannot read into a language that computers can read. At least 140 different codes with specific tasks can be executed by the EVM. Ether. As previously stated, Ether is the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum. Accounts are used to store Ether, and there are two types of accounts. Externally owned accounts are used by users to hold and send Ether, while contract accounts are used to store smart contracts. What are the applications? Decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance refers to financial services and products that are available and accessible to anyone who has access to Ethereum. With DeFi, no authority can deny a user access to anything or block payments, and markets are always open. The codes can be inspected by anyone, and there are no longer any risks of human error because the services are now automated and governed by code. Some of the issues that exist in traditional finance include: individuals are barred from using financial services. Individuals may be unable to receive payment if they use financial services. Trading hours are restricted to specific time zones. Markets can be shut down at any time by centralized institutions and governments. In the DeFi system, the user owns and controls their own money. Transfers of funds take only a few minutes, it is accessible to anyone, and the market is always open. A user can also send money anywhere in the world, gain access to stable currencies, borrow funds with or without collateral, trade tokens, purchase insurance, and do a variety of other things. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are tokens that can be attached to one-of-a-kind items and are not interchangeable with other items. They enable the valuation of art, music, and other forms of media in terms of digital currency. They are protected by the Ethereum blockchain and can only have one owner at any given time. A new NFT cannot be created by copying and pasting, and no two can be identical. They can be used with anything built on the Ethereum platform. NFTs can be sold anywhere, and their owners have global market access. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. DAOs are collectively owned and governed by their members, and they operate using smart contracts. They are internet-based and have built-in treasuries that cannot be accessed unless the group grants permission. They make decisions through proposals and voting to ensure that everyone in the group has an opportunity to express themselves. There is no CEO or CFO, and the rules governing their spending are incorporated into the DAO code. The codes, as well as all of their activities, are transparent, and they run a democratic system. Before any change can be implemented, the votes must be tallied automatically. DAOs include charitable organizations, ventures, freelancer networks, and so on. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, is a growing platform. It is the world's second largest blockchain as of today. Ethereum may overtake Bitcoin in the coming years and be adopted by large corporations such as Google and Facebook. This is due primarily to its broader range of applications. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content.